The Belgian Malinois is an incredible breed known for intelligence, loyalty, and drive. Originally bred for herding, they excel in various roles like police and military work, search and rescue, and as loving family companions. Their energy and intelligence make training both essential and rewarding. In this guide, we'll explore effective training methods to help your Malinois thrive. Malinois are eager to please and learn quickly with the right approach. Positive reinforcement techniques, focusing on rewarding desired behaviors, work best for this sensitive breed. We'll delve into the specifics of positive reinforcement and how to apply it effectively throughout your Malinois training. Remember, training should be a positive experience for both you and your dog. It's about building a strong bond based on trust, respect, and understanding. Let's embark on this journey together, unlocking your Belgian Malinois' full potential and nurturing a happy, well-behaved companion. Early training is crucial for Belgian Malinois puppies. Start socializing them as soon as possible, exposing them to various sights, sounds, people, and environments. This early exposure helps them develop into confident, well-adjusted adults. Begin with basic obedience training as early as 8 weeks old. Keep training sessions short, around 10 to 15 minutes to match their attention span. Use positive reinforcement techniques, rewarding desired behaviors with treats, praise, and toys. Focus on building a strong bond with your puppy through play and positive interactions. This foundation of trust and communication will be invaluable as you progress to more advanced training later on. Remember, early training is not about perfection but about establishing good habits and a positive learning environment for your Malinois puppy. Positive reinforcement forms the cornerstone of successful Belgian Malinois training. This method involves rewarding desired behaviors, making them more likely to be repeated. Punishment or harsh corrections are counterproductive and can damage the bond with your dog. Start by identifying your Malinois' favorite rewards. These can be high-value treats, a favorite toy, or even verbal praise. When your dog performs a desired behavior, immediately reward them with the chosen reinforcement. Timing is crucial in positive reinforcement. The reward must be given immediately after the desired behavior to create a clear association. Consistency is equally important. Reward the behavior every time it occurs, especially in the early stages of training. Positive reinforcement builds a strong bond based on trust and cooperation. It makes training enjoyable for both you and your Malinois, fostering a love of learning that will last a lifetime. Section 4. Mastering basic commands, sit, stay, and come. Teaching basic commands like sit, stay, and come is fundamental to your Belgian Malinois training. Start with sit. Hold a treat close to your dog's nose, then slowly move it upwards and slightly back. As their head follows the treat, their rear end should naturally lower into a sit. Once your dog sits, immediately say sit, and reward them with the treat. Repeat this process several times, gradually phasing out the hand lure as they understand the command. Stay can be introduced once your dog has mastered sit. Ask your dog to sit, then hold your hand up in a stop signal while saying stay. Take a step back, and if they remain seated, reward them. Gradually increase the distance and duration of the stay command. Come is crucial for safety and can be taught using a playful recall. Call your dog's name excitedly, encouraging them to come to you. Reward them generously when they reach you. Practice these commands in various environments with distractions, gradually increasing the challenge. Section 5. Socialization and exercise pillars of a balanced Malinois. Socialization and exercise are vital for a well-adjusted and happy Belgian Malinois. Early and ongoing socialization is crucial to prevent fear or aggression towards other dogs or people. Expose your Malinois to different environments, people of all ages, and other dogs in a controlled and positive manner. Enroll in puppy classes and visit dog parks regularly to provide ample opportunities for safe interactions. Belgian Malinois are high-energy dogs that require significant daily exercise. A tired Malinois is a well-behaved Malinois. Provide at least 1 hour of vigorous exercise daily through activities like running, hiking, playing fetch, or agility training. Mental stimulation is just as important as physical activity. Engage your Malinois' mind with interactive toys, puzzle feeders, and training sessions. Section 6. Consistency and patience. The cornerstones of effective training. Consistency and patience are paramount when training a Belgian Malinois. These intelligent dogs thrive on routine and clear communication. Be consistent with your commands, hand signals, and reward system. Avoid sending mixed signals that can confuse your dog and hinder their progress. Training a Malinois takes time and dedication. There will be moments of frustration, but it's essential to remain patient and understanding. Avoid harsh corrections or punishment, as this can damage their trust and willingness to learn. Instead, focus on positive reinforcement and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, training should be a positive experience for both you and your Malinois. Approach each session with a calm and assertive energy, providing clear guidance and encouragement. Section 7. The rewards of training. A happy, well-behaved companion. The rewards of investing time and effort into training your Belgian Malinois are immeasurable. Through positive reinforcement, consistency, and patience, you'll nurture a well-behaved, happy, and well-adjusted companion. Training strengthens the bond between you and your Malinois, building mutual trust and respect. A well-trained Malinois is a joy to live with, seamlessly integrating into your life and participating in activities you both enjoy. Their intelligence and eagerness to please make them quick learners, capable of mastering advanced commands and tricks. More importantly, training provides your Malinois with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. It channels their energy and intelligence constructively, preventing boredom and potential behavioral issues. The journey of training a Belgian Malinois is an enriching experience, fostering a deep connection and creating a lifetime of companionship with your remarkable canine partner.